Good Lord, look at all that. Oh, that's a school of reds. If I don't get a bite here, there's something wrong. There we go. Come on, pick it. Got it? Yeah. Gotcha. In the net, in the net. Yeah. Heck yeah, y'all. Woo! Oh man, it is so nice to be back on the water, guys. It's hard to believe it's been 4 months since I've been out fishing. Oddly, I'm back in the same place that I last fished at. Just had a lot going on this winter. Took some time off from the sport. Renovated my kitchen, built my own custom cabinets, plus working full time and everything. So I had a good busy winter, but I'm definitely ready for warm weather and for fishing and shorts and all that good stuff. So I'm out here with some friends today. We're just gonna cruise and have some fun and relax, smile, make the best of this beautiful day God gave us. So wish us luck. I've not had any luck this morning. It's been beyond slow. I have fished a lot of water and haven't had a single bite, which is crazy. I swear, we are surrounded by fish. They don't want this guy. Yeah, folks, that's a school of fish right in front of me. If I could just find something for them to bite. Maybe they'll bite this one. There we go. Finally something they want to eat. Bigger, a drum. Drum loves some gulp. Yep, they seem to like the gulp better. I just won't have no luck with my mirror lure. Another drum. Oh, I'm a little better. That one's a little better. Oh yeah, this will be a keeper here. Come on, big boy. Woohoo! Finally. Well, folks, I fished all morning and I didn't catch crap. And I finally come across a school. Got this guy. It was a nice one. 24 inches. Heck yeah, this one going on a dinner table. But thank you. Dead sticking. Good old gulp. I swear it just works good for redfish. Oh, got me a fish. That fish dead sticking. Oh. I love gulp. I won't even hold the fishing pole. Nice one. So yeah, I was just letting it sit. I wasn't even moving it. Pretty fish. Thank you, buddy. You can see them swimming. There's a bunch right in front of you. Honestly, you're literally right in the middle of a bunch of them.
Yeah, I'm frustrated, man. I can't seem to find.
You got a piece of gulp on?
Yeah, well, I got a gold curly tail, the little white one.
Yeah, just throw it out, literally, and just let it sit.
Yeah.
And then just twitch it real slow along the bottom.
Yeah, I have trouble with that slow finesse fishing. I think I'm just not patient. Is that your buddy out here?
Yeah, he's like a mirror lure master.
Yeah, he was saying he was using the mirror lure Mardi Gras. Oh, there we go.
See, it works.
Man, I appreciate it, brother. Seriously. I thought I was gonna get skunked. I was really getting worried about it.
See, the key was I distracted you by talking to you, and then you caught the fish.
All I was doing was just a little muscle memory on the rib.
Yeah. Nope, I got one too. Yep.
Nope.
There we go.
Still pretty good.
Doubled up.
I've still got drum in my freezer from last fall.
I'm out, so I'm happy.
What'd you do, a fish fry?
I just didn't keep as much this past year because the year before I kept quite a bit.
Yeah.
And the following spring came around and I had to have a big fish fry because it was literally, we had way too much. So I was like, you know what, I'm just going to keep what we can eat each weekend.
Yeah.
And then we ran out. So she's like, you need to keep more. What did I do with my pliers? I think my pliers fell in the water or something.
You need a second?
No, there they are. Hiding from me. Nice red. Whew, folks, I had to take a break from that yak. I'm about to kill my back. Tell you what, this new Outback, it's just not as comfortable as my old one was, I swear. It is what it is, though. See if I can catch a fish from shore here. That'd be pretty cool. They just do not want my mirror lure today. I don't know why. My buddy Keith was tearing them up on the mirror lure this morning. They just don't want mine. Oh well, back into the yak. Try a couple more spots before I call it a day. Well, folks, today I'm pretty much just been hitting up oyster reefs and structure. It's a huge flat here, about 6.5 foot of water backside of this reef, and it's just today there's just some redfish here. I mean, they'll be here tomorrow, but they're here today. Still using gulp. Tried a mirror lure, no luck. Tried plastic grub, no luck. Threw a gulp on, first cast. That's what I've caught every single fish on today. Oh, here we go. Yep. Got him right close to the kayak. Looks like most of them are about this size. Just under slot. See, buddy. There we go. Come on, pick it. Got it? Yeah. Gotcha. Oh, got a little. Are you mad? Are you mad? This might be another keeper. He's got a good fight to him. Oh, yeah, I believe that's another keeper. Oh, yeah, that's a big one. That might be bigger than the other one I got. Holy moly. Come on, buddy. Come on, come on, come on. Don't throw it. Don't throw it. In the net. In the net, in the net. Yeah. Heck yeah, y'all. Jesus. Dip, dip. Oh, all right. I just want to get you nice and slimy. You are 26 3/4. Look at that. Well, y'all, he's a 1/2 inch over slot. I'll let him go anyway. That's all good. Thank you, man. You need a revive and you're all right. All right, come on. Go for it. There you go. Little school out there. Chilling. Yep, there we go. Hey, buddy. Look at that dead sticking again. think I just keep catching the same fish over and over again. Thank you, buddy. Well, y'all, I cast it on a little school. Hooked this one off a camera. I didn't realize I wasn't recording. Hopefully it's just under slot, because I would like to have at least 2 of these to take home. It's definitely a keeper. Oh man, I tell you, for a day that started off horribly slow, it's turned into an incredible day. God, you're pretty. Woohoo! 25 7/8. Yep, you're going home. God, and you're beautiful fish too. All right, buddies. Thank you. Well, folks, what a crazy turn of events today. Jesus, this morning I was literally disheartened pretty badly. I fished for almost 5 hours this morning and didn't catch anything. And then all of a sudden, I get on a nice red bite on a big flat with some friends, and then it's dead again for a while. And then all of a sudden, boom, nice bite again. So, and there's that school right there. That's a big school. Right out there in front of them. There's so many of them there, they'll pick it up. There we go. Oh yeah. I knew one of them would pick it up. Good Lord, he turned me around. Are you taking me, buddy? Gosh. Ah, it's good to be spun me in a whole complete circle. Yeah, baby. Come on. Oh, come on. Yep. Thank you. He is 25 3/8. 25 3/8. That's a nice one. All right, guys. Woo! Hey, where'd all my stuff go? Oh, there's my goal, floating away. That's the bait that's working too. The heck? Are you literally like? I want to lose that. That's what I'm catching all my fish with. I swear, folks, just all the random luck in the world. Right place, right time today. I pedaled almost 4 miles one direction looking for fish. Didn't find anything. And then literally, I mean, it's not like I can hide where I'm at, y'all. Seriously. Right here by the boat ramp, there's a ton of redfish today. And I don't mean they're going to be here tomorrow, but that's crazy. Look at that. Is that school? Let's see if another one will grab it right away. I'm not even gonna do nothing. I'm just gonna dead stick it. Look, got him. That's a smaller one. Oh, he spit it. That's all good. All right, that's it. I'm done. Tired. Had a good day. Well, folks, it was a heck of a day on the water. It started off, I'm not going to lie, dreadfully slow this morning. 3 to 4 hours of nothing. Then I had a nice little run right after lunchtime, and then nothing again, and then a cast and blast right here at the end of the day. I swear, I couldn't ask for any better. So that's it. I'm done. I'm heading in. I got my lemon. I had a blast. It's great to be back out on the water. So see you guys in the next video.